Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. As you can see, we've got the 58 Chevy Apache hood. We've got a couple spots on here that are a little rough, so we're going to hit them with the DA and just try to knock them down a little bit before we metal condition and prime. So I'll bring you along for the ride. Check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We had to kind of do a quick move here of the thing and to throw it in the garage because we don't want it to get soaking wet. So what we're doing in the meantime is we have some spots here, like right here, and I believe the same side over here. We're going to go ahead and hit those with all metal, get those covered and all of that while we have it in bare metal, and then we're going to prime this here in a little bit as soon as the weather breaks. But so far we're here. The hood looks great. Really got some of that deep pitting and rust out of here we were struggling with through here. So we're in a good spot. We're gonna hit these and then I'll bring you back and show you what we did, and then we'll prime this thing and I'll bring you along for that whole adventure, and we'll just keep going from there, guys. Thanks for watching. What do you guys think? All metals on both sides. Let me show you that. Baby. Right. All metal. It's here on this side of the hood. Same thing over here. I apologize for Ron's music. So we'll let this dry, and then we'll sand this down on both sides. And then we'll start looking at priming this thing here in probably an hour or two. So we just wanted to get that taken care of before we got too far along down the road here. So there you go, guys. 1958 Chevy Apache hood. Looking pretty good, really. Okay, guys, so here we go again. So what we're gonna do, what I'm looking at doing anyway, is getting in here and starting to tear down the front of the Apache. So I think I went ahead and pulled this wiring out this morning. This glob of crap here. Now that goes to the front lights. It ran pretty much through here, up across, and over to there. So I got that out of the way. So I really kind of cleaned this up from a lot of that. Now, the next thing is how to get the front off the inner fenders and bumpers and all of that jazz, so that I can go ahead and get it down to bare metal and get it going. So, being I've never torn apart a Apache truck, I think I'm going to start here, take these off. Take the latch off, get that off of there, see how that works, how it looks, and then just kind of work through it. I know I need to get the fender, the inner fender. I got one bolt up here on this side I know I got to contend with, and I might get a little PB blaster too out here just to make my life a little better. I got two bolts here. I don't know what's going on here. And honestly, this might be, depending on how bad this fender is, this might be a new fender. But I'm going to try to save it. So if I can get that patch down there, I know we can fix this. Not worried about that. I'm not worried about this. So see where that goes. And then I got to figure out how to get the grill off.
So you guys are just with me as I sit here and stare at it. How am I going to do this? I can pull the core support, get that out of the way, start getting into all that. So anyway, that's what I'm going to start doing. I will set you up and bring you with me, and we'll start figuring out how to get all of this off. I'd like to have the fenders, the grill, all of this core support off, bumper off, so that I can go ahead and strip these down like we did to the hood and down to bare metal and get them in primer, get any metal work done. Ron's in there doing metal work on the hood right now. And then the other piece of this is I want to clear this firewall, which will also include clearing some of the stuff inside. The only thing I want to keep on here is the steering at the moment because, well, I need a way to steer it. So we're going to keep that, and probably the hood hinge. Otherwise, then I can come out here and get this cleaned up as best of my ability and then kind of go from there. So with the understanding, guys, that this is going to get a brand new wiring harness, it's also going to get every single piece of it restored. Battery will be relocated probably under this fender if I can, back in there, and so on and so forth. So yeah, we'll see where this goes, and we'll have to get new lights and new this and new that. We'll have to deal with all that here in a minute, but anyway, stay tuned. We're on the Apache, so stay tuned. We'll bring you along for the ride. Okay guys, we're back. So what I've been doing is taking this apart, and figuring out how to take it apart. So I've removed this panel from right here. Came out pretty easy. I PB blasted the bolts, gave it, about 10 minutes, and then I think it was a 1/2 inch, just took it right off. So no issues there. I think one of the next things, I think I'm going to stop on this for now, just for the fact that I need to really get this truck sitting here, and to do that I got to move all of this stuff, and it's going to rain again. It's nice. So I need to get this truck here, that way I can get the front jacked up, get the wheels off of it to give me access to some of the bolts that are going in this way and this way that I can't get to from the inside. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. But so far, I give you Tomater. She's coming apart. I clearly have a hornet's nest and underneath that door, because every time I get near it they attack me, so I gotta deal with that in a minute. But otherwise, we're rocking, guys. So stay tuned. If you guys aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. That would really help us out, and we're gonna keep going on this. I'll bring you more footage here when we start to when we get ready to prime the hood. I'll take you through that whole process, and you guys can watch it be primed and everything. So I think that'd be kind of cool. A lot of you guys like that kind of footage when we did this 73 thing. So, and for those of you that are watching the Apache content that are looking at this going, wow, that's kind of cool. There is an entire build for 7 months every day to work on this car, and this car was rough. And it's almost done. We got a little wiring stuff to do and buff and polish, and got to get the front bumper put on. Basic things, and then this one's ready to go, and this car will be for sale here soon. So if anybody's looking for a 73 Volkswagen thing that's pretty cool, I got one. Hit me up. So anyway guys, we're gonna keep rocking here.